kumustaas?
Slippery, guys. And it's kind of dirty here. Target. Come join us, guys. We're gonna buy some things that you don't know what's in store for us. But first, only gonna sanitize your hands. Safety first. Wow. I love Target. Some cool stuff. Wow. For Valentine's Day.
We have so many stuff for Valentine's Day now. Look, like it's so cute.
We have here, we have a lot of stuff in here. So, at ito sa clearance section kay mga
Oo, para magka-save og kwarta.
nice ilang nga sinina diri. Look, this song for workout. Nice kay diri sa here, there. $6 for ilang t-shirt. Nice kay diri sa Target, guys. Cute kay guys. Amon i-buy para sa mga little brothers.
He loves toys.
Yep. And he loves to play balls. And what's this?
It's like a boom blaster.
Come here, guys. Let's go here. He likes to play cars.
He has trains.
Yeah.
Look, may Thomas the train. Oh, ganahan siya ani.
There's no fun here.
Christina,
Yeah.
may see your basket.
Here, I got a train and some
Oh, he
toys.
likes JJ. JJ from Coco Melon. I'll get one for and Blippi. Blippi.
Wait, I'm actually gonna put that back.
Look
This
at
is
it.
what we were looking for.
Vacuum.
This is what me and we had
Yeah.
to
I'll just get this
Wait,
box.
I'll
He
just
loves
clear
to
my-
build London Bridge. This is
I'll-
good. Look, daghan kasi sila scented candles diri.
Oh, mga nindo. It's like $5 for all.
Let's try to smell the cucumber water and mint. Smells good. I love it here at Target. Nice kila mga kuan diri oh.
Ang mga containers.
Yup.
Oh.
Glass.
Nindot siya.
Sigmuta.
Oh,
But it's so nice, guys.
it's like tomato.
Kit kay ang cover.
Ano kani?
And the pa.
Oh, smell this one. It's nice. Wild violet and
Mhm.
sweet grass.
Yes, guys. Dapat diri, guys. It's so really smells good. So Kasubuanon. Nagkaroon kayo sila candles diri, guys.
Look,
mga
all of these are
kasubuanon.
appearance.
I think pag Christmas pa rin sila mga kasubuanon. Nice kayo siya pag sa inyong table kasubuanon. Inyong mga kung ano pa na sila yung health center.
Sige, pag-check sa imong health da.
Nice kayo kay you just scan anything.
Ayan.
Saan man ni or mo search ka? Saan man ni uy? It's i-search be.
I-search da.
Saan man ni search?
What the? Wow.
Search nimo da ang kuan.
Note.
Sugbuanon the Explorer.
mga scented para sa room. Nice tayo. Mga decor mo ni sila guys.
Para
Oh,
na sa
she's testing it to scan and go.
Oh, ano ito sa scan and go? So yun, ano ni siya, you'll get a, ano tawag ano ito? Scan.
Nami din sa magnen. Ya tugnaw kaayo.
Yup, tugnaw kayo. Butangan mo nilag ice. I mean,
Salt. Oh, as in, para nig snow mo melt ang snow, di siya mo ice.
Asang boats be.
nag-drops na ko eh. Kaya pala dali.
Ya mag-grocery shopping ni Ron. So cold here.
Ano puti na karsada?
So, ang salt na, para nig snow, mo melt ang
Okay.
ice.
Kaya kung gibaldos nila.
Oh.
Mukha ni mga orange eh. Para ni ka na kung snow ba na? Nag-snow sa mountain. Sige pa. Mana.
Atong cart na gamay.
Sanitize na mo ang among cart, guys. Safety first. Hi guys, we're here at Wetland. For you. Sorry much guys. Naghan nila mga fruit, vegetables,
Mga healthy lang pagkaon.
Asam no tina?
wala may sasami.
Walay sa kami ginger.
Pero ingat sila lamay daning Thousand Islands. Apoy turmeric, apoy.
Asa naman siya?
Papadre.
Kumain ang pan di ba?
Oh.
Oats. Wala, nahulot na nila mga ham diri. Ato tong gusto ba? Wala naman to, oy. Munitin na? Wala na. Wala na yung ham, no?
Itong honey.
Oo. Wala na. Wala na, oy.
Wala, unya na lang no.
Dad's getting the milk.
Hindi kuha na.
Ako, itlog.
Hindi kuha na.
Adit to. Helping our dad with our grocery shopping.
Ang haon man nagbayad ron.
Naalala na siya. Good. Pero there na. And egg.
Lapit ito na. Ito na.
Ha?
Lapit ito na. Ito na ko.
Hmm?